If two Muslims takes out their swords to fight each other, then both of them will be from amongst the people of the hellfire. It was asked to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is all right for the killer, but what about the killed one? He replied, the killed one had the intention to kill his opponent. Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, volume number 9, book number 88, hadith number 204.